All right, everyone, we may have a problem on Cardano price. I'm looking at the daily chart right now. You can see that over this incredible run up, in fact, let me zoom out just a little bit more so you can see more of it. Now, first of all, I'm not complaining about where Cardano is right now. It is at a fantastically high price over the last year and a half. I hold some ADA, so this is perfect for me. But here was the run up starting back in October, and you can see the drastic move it made upwards, and this is the weekly chart. One thing we're seeing across the board on crypto in general is some weakness that we've been seeing since some coins since around the 1st of December. Cardano since about the middle of December. You can see it made its high on the 13th and has been falling ever since. Now, what concerns me is this falling channel right here. You can see it encapsulates the tops of the last few days, the bottoms of the last few days. We're looking for patterns in the market. We want patterns that jump out right at us. This was a pattern that was jumping out right at me and was pulling the price down to this level of about 0.546, somewhere around there, which was just this level right here, the open and close and the low of this day. Now, yesterday changed things up in the crypto market because we saw a bounce, and that's indicated with this green candle. It bounced, well, the price fell down here. You can see it touched here, but then it turned around, bounced up, closed up, finished a green candle. But you can see what it's doing today. It really didn't make that much more of a high from yesterday and is now trying to fall back into this falling channel. That's why I'm saying we could have a short-term problem in ADA. Now, if price continues to fall back in this channel, you can pretty much expect it to go try this low of yesterday again, about this 0.546, somewhere around there. Could it break below this 0.546? Of course, anything could happen. Let me expand out let me do this. Let me just get more data in here from the daily, because I'm about to draw a Fibonacci line, and I'll do it from here. From this swing low to this high, yeah. So this 0.618 line, you see this pattern in trading all the time. When you see big moves, big run-ups in the market, the question is always, well, you know there's going to be some retracement. No coin goes straight up all the time. There's going to be some retracement. The market has to breathe a bit. So we know the price is going to fall some after a big run-up. Fibonacci's are good for saying, okay, we realize price is going to fall, but A, how far is it going to fall? And B, when do we determine that the trend has actually changed and we're no longer just breathing in and breathing out in a natural way, but we've gone to a downtrend instead of an uptrend? That's what I like to use these Fibonacci's for. If price were just to fall down to this 0.618 and move back up like it has so far, I mean, to be honest, it has done that so far. You can see price hit this 0.618 right around there and shot right back up. So far, we're still good. Not in a downtrend, not in a downturn, not in a down market. Everything's looking good still on ADA. I'm just saying, if price continues to fall and break that and continues to fall below this 0.50, which is a nice round number, then you've got to start looking at, hey, I think we may be at least in a temporary downtrend and we need to plan accordingly. Might be a good time to pick up some more ADA if you're in it for the long term or what have you. But right now, we're not to that point. We're not to the point of calls of concern yet, but it is something to be watching, especially I want to see how this day finishes. If it falls back into this channel and we see price entering back into the channel, it wouldn't surprise me to find this level of 0.546. Now, crypto could do what it did yesterday or day before yesterday. Within 12 hours, it went from a bleeding red candle to a nice green candle and gave every indication it would continue up. So you just don't know. You just don't know in the market. But right now, no calls for concern. We're good. Still not in a downtrend. ADA's looking fine. Just watch this level. Watch this level, see what happens around it when the market reaches it. And I'll be back to give us an update on that level whenever I see it getting to there, or maybe, hey, this is what I'd like to see, it go back up and challenge these highs. We'll just have to see if that's what happens. All right, check back. I'll keep you updated.